Yeah, good morning. Okay, in the last session, we have seen the Fourier series expansion in the domain 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi, okay? If the domain is 0 to 2 pi, if the function f of x satisfies the Dirichlet conditions, then one can expand that function as a Fourier series, okay? And sometimes, see what is the general domain? General domain is c comma c plus 2 pi. C comma c plus 2 pi. If c is equal to 0, then you will get this domain. Sometimes we may get some other domain. If you replace c by minus pi, then if c is equal to minus pi, then this domain will be minus pi to plus pi. Minus pi to plus pi, okay? If the domain is minus pi to plus pi, then we have some special cases. That is, one can check the given function is even function or odd function. First, you check that the given function is even function or odd function. If they are even or odd, then one can reduce the constants a naught, a n to some constants. Okay, we can easily evaluate the constants. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Fine. See, first definition: even function. Even function. Okay. Fine. Let let f of x be a function defined on uh, minus pi to plus pi. Okay, minus pi to plus pi be a function defined on the minus pi to plus pi. Okay, fine. The function the function f is said to be even if f of minus x, which is equal to f of x. Okay, if you replace the argument x by minus x, if you get the same function, then such a function is called even function. Example, look at this, f of x equal to cos x. What is f of minus x? F of minus x is cos of minus x, but cos of minus x is same as cos x. Okay, so therefore cos x is an even function. Cos x is an even function. And the second one is f of x, which is equal to x square. X square. Then what is f of minus x? F of minus x is minus x the whole square, which is x square itself. So therefore x square is an even function. In general, x to the power 2n, x to the power 2n, where n is any positive integer, that such a function is even function. Okay, and then any combination of even function will be an even function. For example, x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is an even function. Okay, and x square plus 2x, sorry, x square plus x to the power 4 minus x power 6, that is an even function. That is an even function. Any combination of even function is even. See, next definition: odd function. Odd function. Let f of x be a function defined on minus pi to plus pi. Pi to plus pi. Stop. The function f of x is said to be odd if f of minus x, which is equal to minus f of x. Okay, f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Minus f of x. Only 36 students are there. Okay. Yes. Example f of x, which is equal to sin x. F of x equal to sin x. What is f of minus x? F of minus x is sin of minus x, but sin of minus x is same as minus sin x. Okay, so therefore sin x is an odd function. And the second one is f of x, which is equal to x. F of x equal to x. If I replace x by minus x, then it is going to be minus x. That is equal to minus f of x. See, therefore, x is a odd function. In general, x to the power any odd number, x to the power any odd number is going to be odd function. Okay, and any combination of odd function, the combination in the sense that addition or subtraction. Okay, any power of any if I raise the power any with odd number, then it is going to be odd function. Okay, whereas here x plus 1, x is an odd function, but 1 is an even function, but x plus 1 is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. Okay, fine. The third example is f of x, which is equal to x plus 1, is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. Okay, this is neither even nor odd function. Fine. Okay, and in the lower class we have studied or we have seen two formulas. Suppose f of x is even. First formula, f of x is even in minus pi to plus pi, then integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx, which is equal to twice integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. If this is even function in the interval minus pi to plus pi, then f of x into dx, which is equal to twice integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. And the second one is if f of x is odd in the interval minus pi to plus pi, then integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx, which is equal to 0. Simply, it is 0. Okay, it is advantage. So no need to integrate the odd function in the interval minus pi to plus pi. Straight away we can put this is equal to 0. The value of that integral will be 0. And the third observation, this is the third one, product of even into even, which is equal to even function. Okay. Product of even and even function, which is even function. Similarly, odd into odd, which is equal to even. Okay, and then odd into even, which is equal to odd function. Okay, these things we should keep it in mind. Okay, fine. Yeah. First problem. Find the Fourier series expansion of f of x, which is equal to x square when minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Okay, and hence deduce that first one 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus and so on. And the second one is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus and so on. And the third one is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on. Okay. So this can also be written as summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square. Okay. This series is same as this summation notation. Under summation notation, we can write like this. And this can also be written as summation n equal to 1 to infinity and then minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1 divided by n square. Okay, minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1 divided by n square. And this can be written as summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by 2n minus 1 the whole square. to n minus 1 the whole square. Okay, fine. Yeah, I think this problem is very simple and it is important problem. See, what is our function? Our function f of x is x square. Okay, that is f of x is x square in the interval minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. In the interval minus pi to plus pi. Fine. But x square is a polynomial, and it is a continuous function, and it has finite number of maxima and minima. There is no discontinuity because it is a polynomial. So therefore, this function satisfies all the criteria given in the Dirichlet conditions. Hence, this function admits the Fourier series expansion. Okay, fine. Now, see therefore our x square can be written as a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity and bn sin nx. Okay, fine. Now what is our a naught? A naught equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx. F of x into dx. Okay. Note that f of x, which is equal to x square, is an even function. So therefore, a naught, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into dx, that is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to pi and x square into dx. Please tell me what is the value of a naught? What is the value of a naught?
Say 2 pi square upon 3.
2 pi square upon 3. Very good. Okay. 2 pi square by 3. Yeah, I'll note it down here. That is a naught, which is equal to 2 pi square by 3. Fine. Now, shall I erase this? Now an, come to an. What is our an? An equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi and f of x into cos nx into dx. Okay, but f of x is even function. F of x is even function and the cos nx is even function. See, therefore, even into even function is even. Even into even function is even function. Hence, this becomes 2 divided by pi integral 0 to pi and x square into cos nx into dx. Cos nx into dx. Now here u equal to x square and v, which is equal to cos nx. Therefore, u dash equal to 2x, u double dash, which is equal to 2, u triple dash, which is 0. Okay, and v1 which is integration of cos nx, this is sin nx divided by n, and v2 which is integration of sin nx divided by n, so therefore minus cos nx divided by n square, and v3 this is integration of minus cos nx divided by n square, so therefore this is minus sin nx divided by n cube and so on. Okay, fine. Now, what is our an? An equal to 2 divided by pi into x square into this function. Okay, you join this and this, this and this, and this and this. See, therefore, x square into sin nx divided by n. There is a minus in the formula, and then 2x into this function minus cos nx divided by n square, okay, plus then 2 into minus sin nx divided by n cube from 0 to pi. Please simplify this and please let me know what is the value of an.
So 4 cos nx
Yeah.
by n square.
4
4
cos
cos nx by n square.
4 cos nx cos nx.
Oh, no,
Remember
sir. 4 by n square. 4 by n square.
only 4 by n square.
4 by
Yes, sir.
n square into minus 1 raised to n.
Very good. Okay. See, this is 4 by n square into minus 1 raised to the power n. Okay. Fine. Now come to bn. Bn equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi and f of x into sine nx into dx. Sin nx is odd function. F of x is even function. See, therefore, product of odd and even is odd function. See, therefore, the value of bn equal to 0. Because integral minus pi to plus pi of the odd function, which is going to be 0. We have seen one note. Okay? Yeah. See, this is the advantage. This is the advantage of this. No need to calculate all these things. You can straight away, if you know the function f of x is even or odd in the domain minus pi to plus pi. Okay, if it is even, then definitely bn will be 0. If it is odd, then a naught and an will be 0. Only bn will come. Okay, so that is these are the advantage of odd and even functions. Okay, fine. Now write down the Fourier series. That is my x square, which is a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a into cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity and bn sin nx. Okay, fine. Now replace all the values of a naught, a and bn. What is a naught? A naught is 2 pi square by 3. See, therefore, this is going to be pi square by 3 plus an is 4 divided by n square. 4 divided by n square into minus 1 whole power n. See, therefore, 4 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n divided by n square to cos nx plus 0 because bn is 0. Bn is 0. Fine. See, this is the Fourier series expansion of x square. Fourier series expansion of x square. Okay, fine. Now, we have to deduce the series as first series summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square. We have to deduce the value of that series. Okay. Yes. What should I do? For the first one, see, I want all the terms are positive. Okay, all the terms are positive here. See, this series gives 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. Okay. So what should I do here? I have to choose a particular value for x, so that if I substitute the value of x here, then which gives a series 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. Can you please tell me what is the value of x?
Sir, 2 pi.
Yeah. Remember, 2 pi is not in our domain.
Oh, okay, sir.
What is our domain? This is
0.
minus 0. Okay,
0.
if I substitute x equal to 0, what will happen here? This is cos n0, but cos n0 is 1. For any n, cos n0 is 1. See, therefore, this will not appear. If I expand this series, first term will be minus 1 by 1 square, second term will be 1 by 2 square, third term will be minus 1 by 3 square, fourth term will be 1 by 4 square and so on. It gives alternative sign. We cannot do anything. If I substitute x equal to 0, we cannot extract the series 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. See, therefore, x equal to 0 won't work.
So cos x
Sir, pi.
equal to pi, yeah.
Sir, then x equal to pi. X equal to pi.
Okay, if I substitute x equal to pi, what will happen? This is cos n pi, okay? Cos n pi. Cos n pi is minus 1 whole to the power n. Okay, minus 1 raised to the power n. Already we have minus 1 raised to the power n. See, therefore, this becomes minus 1 power 2n. See, therefore, this gives always positive terms. See, therefore, x equal to pi is a correct one. Okay, x equal to pi is a correct one. But what is the property of the pi? The pi is the right boundary point, right? Pi is the right boundary point of the domain. Okay, pi is the right boundary point of the domain. See, therefore, when we substitute the value of the boundary point, we have to take the average of left boundary and right boundary. Okay, fine. Yeah, now put x equal to pi. Put x equal to pi. Then what will happen? In the left hand side, 1 by 2 times of minus pi the whole square plus pi square, which is equal to pi square by pi square by pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity and minus 1 whole power n divided by n square into cos n pi. So that is, what is this here? This is pi squares. Okay, pi square. This is pi square, which is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power 2n divided by n square. Please simplify. What is this value? Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square, which is equal to what? You simplify. You take this into the left hand side and then simplify. Yes? What is the value? Anybody? What is the value of this series?
Pi square by 6.
Pi square by 6. Yeah, that's right. I call this as equation number 1. Okay, this is pi square by 6. Okay, then for the second one, I have to deduce the series. What is this? 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and so on. Okay, that means which gives the alternative signs. In the series, we are getting alternative signs. See, therefore, what is the correct value of x? So that if I substitute that value here, which gives alternative signs. In the previous part, you
0.
x equal to 0. Okay, very good. X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Then what will happen? Left hand side is 0, and the right hand side, which is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 times of summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n into cos n0 divided by n square. Okay, fine. Yeah, now simplify this. See, therefore, 4 times of summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n divided by n square, which is minus pi square by 3. Okay, I want the series 1 divided by 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus and so on. Tell me what is the value of this series.
Minus pi square by
minus.
So minus field in then also so that we can get the required equation with pi square.
Is this pi square by 12 or minus pi square by 12?
minus pi square by 12.
So plus pi square.
Plus pi square by 12, okay? Yeah, this is plus pi square by 12, not minus, okay? Pi square by 12. Now I call this as equation number 2. Okay, then for the third
Why
one,
not negative pi square by 12?
not minus, plus only, positive only.
Yes, sir.
This is positive. Because see, the first term, listen, the first term will be negative, okay? If I expand this, the first term will be negative. Second term is positive. Third term is negative. Fourth term is positive, like this. Okay? Here, you just multiply this equation by -1. Just multiply this equation by -1. So therefore, first term I will get positive term, 1 by 1 square. Next term is negative term. Next term is positive. Next term is negative. Okay? Then this minus will not appear here. There is a minus. Look at this. There is a minus here. Am I right? Okay,
Okay,
fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. Now come to the third one. Third one is, what is this? 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus and so on. Okay. Look at this. All the terms are odd numbers. 1 square, 2, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 11 square, and so on. We have two series, equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Okay. Can we get this series from these two series? You compare 1 and 2. Actually, what is this? This is this is same as 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4
Sir,
square.
is it
Sir,
1
by
plus 2
adding
by
both
2?
of them, we will get it.
Yeah.
1,
So by
Sir,
1
adding
by
plus
those
2
adding
is
both
2
the
divided by 2.
divided
Add, okay, very good. Add these two equations.
And divide by 2.
and
Okay.
divide by 2.
Divide by 2. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So therefore, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, which gives what? 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on, which is equal to, what is the value of this? Let's simplify.
Pi square
This is
by
pi
8.
square. Yeah, pi
By
square by
8.
8. This is pi square. Pi square by 8. Okay, fine. Yeah. So guys, sometimes the function will be neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. For example, if I give x square plus x square plus x, this function is neither even nor odd. In this situation, you have to calculate a0, an, bn. Okay, all these things will be non-zero because the function is neither even nor odd. Even though the domain is -pi to +pi, okay, sometimes the function will be neither even nor odd. In this situation, all the three constants will appear. Okay, fine. Second problem. Expand modulus of x as a Fourier series. Expand modulus of x as a Fourier series in -pi to +pi, and deduce that summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by 2n minus 1 the whole square, and deduce that which is equal to pi square by 8. Just now we deduced. Yeah, please do it. See, what is modulus of f of x is? F of x is modulus of x in the interval -pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Okay. In the interval -pi to +pi. Now, whether modulus of x is even, is it even function? Is it even function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
F of x equal to modulus of x, which is same as modulus of -x, which is f of -x. Okay, so therefore this function is even function. Hence, f of x is even. F of x is even, which implies our bn equal to 0. Okay, f of x is even, which implies our bn equal to 0. Fine. And then what is our a naught? A naught equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to pi and f of x into dx, and the an, this is 2 divided by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Okay, fine. See, this is the formula. If function is even function, then a naught is going to be this. Now, can you please tell me what is the definition of modulus of x? Because I need the definition of modulus of x in the interval 0 to pi. Then only I can replace what is f of x here.
Sir, in 0 to pi, it is x only because it is positive.
Very good. Okay. In the interval 0 to pi, it is x. Whereas in the interval minus pi to 0, it is minus x. Okay. See, this is the definition. That is modulus of x, which is minus x when minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And x when 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Okay. In the interval 0 to pi, it is x. Whereas in the interval minus pi to 0, it is minus x. See, therefore, what is a naught? A naught equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi and x into dx. Yes, tell me what is the value of a naught? What is the value of a naught?
5.
Yeah, fine. Now an is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi x into cos nx into dx. Okay, so this is 2 by pi and then x into integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of this is 1 and integration of this is minus cos nx divided by n square. Again, if I differentiate this, this will be 0. So therefore, I can stop here. 0 to pi. Am I right? Any doubt in this? Straight away, I write that Bernoulli's form. u v1 minus u dash v2. u v1 minus u dash v2. Okay? Yes. I'll simplify this. What is the value of an? Anyone please?
Sir, 2 by pi n square to minus 1 raised to n minus 1.
2 by pi n square
N square.
minus 1 power
minus
n.
1 raised to n minus 1. Minus 1.
Yeah, let me check this. Yeah, 2 by pi n square into minus 1 power n minus 1. Very good. See, this is for an. Okay. Okay. And so therefore, modulus of x is modulus of x, which is a naught by 2, but a naught is pi, so therefore this is pi by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. An is 2 divided by pi n square into minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into cos nx plus 0, because bn is 0. Okay, see, we have to deduce the series. What is the series? 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. Okay, that means you have to choose appropriate value for x. If I substitute that value here, then which gives the series 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. Okay, please identify the suitable value for x. Suitable value for x. Anybody? So what will happen when we substitute x equal to 0?
Sir, at x equal to pi.
X equal to pi. Okay, if I substitute x equal to pi, what will happen? This is minus 1 whole to the power n. Okay, minus 1 whole
Yes,
power
sir.
n. Here this is this will
At the
be
positive value, it will be at n and when n equal to even, it will become 0.
0. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. And when n equals to odd, it will become -2.
Minus 2.
And at,
Okay, fine.
so cos nx will also give -1. So minus minus plus will.
Why can't we use x equal to 0 simply? If I substitute x equal to 0, then this will be 0. And then anyway, I will get first term is minus 2 divided by, minus 2 divided by 2 by pi into 1 square. Then second term will be 0. Third term will be non-zero. Fourth term will be 0. Fifth term will be non-zero. And so on. Then we can simplify it. Okay. Even say for x equal to pi, what will happen if I substitute x equal to pi? This is cos n pi. This is minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1. For odd number, this will be minus 2. And then it is multiplied by say minus 1. Okay, so therefore this will be positive. For even number, this will be 0. Okay, that will also work. Okay. Yeah. Now what is the value of this series? You just substitute x equal to 0. Then similarly, just substitute x equal to pi. If you substitute x equal to pi, then you have to take the average of left boundary, the value of f at left boundary, and then right boundary. Okay. Yeah. Yes, tell me what is the value? Summation n equal to 1 to, or say, this is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on. Pi square by
So 4.
how it will be 4? Please check the previous problem.
So pi square by 8.
Pi square by
8.
okay, that's all. Pi square by 8. This is pi square by 8. Okay, fine. And then see these are this is one kind of split up function. Okay, split up function. When one domain it has some expression, in another domain it has another expression. Okay, this is called a split up function. Okay, now next I will give another split up function. Third problem. Find the Fourier series. Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x divided by pi when minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and 1 minus 2x divided by pi. Okay, 1 minus 2x divided by pi when 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Okay, and deduce that 1 minute. The same thing, the same, and deduce that the same thing. Okay. Uh, Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2n minus 1 whole power minus 2 equal to pi square by 8. Yeah, please do it. Please do it. Whether this function is even,
Yes, sir. It is even.
how?
Sir, because for the range 0 to pi, we have it minus sign in front of x.
Wait. Yeah, I want to. This is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. In this interval, what is your f of x? What is your f of x? F of x is, this is 1 minus 2x divided by pi. Okay, fine. Yeah, then proceed. Your answer is right, but I need the.
Sir, now if we like put minus x into this, so minus minus will become 1 plus 2x by
No,
pi.
what you are doing, you are replacing x by minus x, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you replace x by minus x, what will happen? Whether the minus x will appear in this interval or some other interval. That is very important.
So it will be in other interval, but the value will become equal of fx and f minus x.
See, you are replacing x by negative x, therefore, yeah, that means you are multiplying this by negative 1. See, hence, this becomes minus pi, which is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 0, right? That is your correct, that is a correct argument, okay? If you
Yes, sir.
replace x by minus x means this minus x in the interval minus pi to plus pi, okay?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
See, therefore, in this interval, f of minus x, what is f of x? F of x is 1 plus
Plus
2x
2x by
divided
pi.
by, yeah, divided by pi. See, that is equal to f of minus x in the interval 0 to pi.
Yes,
See,
sir.
therefore, this function is even function. Okay, very good, very good. This is even function, fine. See, f of x is even, f of x is even, which implies bn equal to 0. Which implies bn equal to 0, and a naught, which is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi and f of x into dx, that is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi and then 1 minus 2x divided by pi into dx. Yeah, simplify this.
Sir, A naught will be 0.
A naught is 0. How many of you got 0? A naught equal to 0.
Sir, 0. A not
0, sir,
0.
A naught equal to 0.
A naught is 0. Okay, fine. And an, calculate an. So 1 minute, I will verify this. Yeah, a naught is 0. And an is what an? This is 2 divided by pi in integral 0 to pi, and then 1 minus 2x divided by pi into cos nx into dx. Cos nx into dx. Yeah. By using the Bernoulli's formula, this is 2 by pi, and then 1 minus 2x divided by pi. Okay, and then integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of this function is minus 2 by pi, and then integration of this function is minus cos nx divided by n square. Again, if I differentiate this will be 0. So therefore We can stop here. 0 to pi. By Bernoulli's formula. I didn't write what is u, what is v, okay? See, I took this as a u, this is, see, this is u, this is v.
So minus
Yeah.
4 by pi square n square.
Minus, see, this is equal to minus
4 by pi square n square.
wait.
So minus 1 raised to 1.
4 by pi square, 4 by pi square,
Pi
n square,
n square
n
into
square
minus 1 raised to n.
into minus 1 raised to n. Only
Into
this.
minus 1 raised to minus 1.
Again minus 1.
Plus,
Right? Is this right? 4 by pi square n square
yes,
into
sir.
minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Yeah, this is right. This is correct one. Okay, this can be written as 4 divided by pi square n square and then 1 plus minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1. If I multiply this negative 1 here, this will be negative and this will be positive, therefore positive. And then the negative of minus 1 whole power n can be written as minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Okay? Yeah. Now deduce the series. What is the series? I want a summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2n minus 1 whole power minus 2. Okay, that means we have to choose appropriate value for x such that if I substitute the value of x here, this will give a series like this. Yeah, that is my f of x is 1 plus 2x divided by pi in the interval minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0 and 1 minus 2x divided by pi when 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. See, this is equal to a naught by 2 plus what is our a naught? A naught is 0, okay? And then summation n equal to 1 to infinity. An is 4 divided by pi square n square into 1 plus minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into cos nx plus 0. Okay? Yeah. Again, this gives alternative series. 1 plus minus 1 whole power n plus 1, which gives alternative series. If n is, what will happen? If n is even number or odd number, if n is odd number, then this will be, if n is odd number, say 1, this is 1 plus minus 1 whole power 2. See, therefore this gives 2. If n is even number, what will happen? This is 1 plus minus 1 whole power 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 is minus 1. See, therefore this will become 0. See, therefore for even n, we won't get any non-zero term. Okay. Yeah, please simplify this. What is the value? And then one more thing, we have to choose what is a suitable value of x, so that if I substitute that x in this series, we can extract the series 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. What is a suitable value for x?
Zero.
Yeah,
Zero.
again 0, okay? Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. And the 0 is a point of continuity. Because this function is continuous function. This function is continuous function. This is continuous function. Then substitute x equal to 0. Then you will get, please check that summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 whole square, which is equal to pi square by, what is the value? Pi square by, the last problem we have seen, pi square by 8, right? Pi square by 8. okay. Yeah. Shall I go further? Now, I think this is the fourth problem. Expand f of x, which is equal to x as a Fourier series in minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi. Okay, what is our f of x? F of x is x. Okay, in the interval minus pi, which is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to pi. And then what is our f of minus x? F of minus x is minus x, which is equal to minus f of x. Okay. See, therefore, f of x is odd. F of x is odd. See, which implies what is a naught? A naught equal to 0 and an equal to 0. Okay. A naught equal to 0 and an equal to 0. And bn equal to 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi and f of x into sin nx into dx. Sin nx into dx. This is 2 by pi and then integral 0 to pi x into sin nx into dx. Sin nx into dx. Fine. By using the Bernoulli's formula, what you will get? This is 2 by pi, then x into integration of sin nx. What is integration of sin nx? This is minus cos nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x is 1, and then integration of minus cos nx is minus sin nx divided by n square. Again, if I differentiate this, this will be 0. So therefore, we can stop here, 0 to pi. Yeah, now this is 2 by pi. When I substitute the upper limit, this will be minus pi into cos n pi, right? This is cos n pi divided by n. Okay? There is a minus here, minus pi cos n pi, minus, if I substitute x equal to pi, then this will be 0. This is for the upper limit. Minus, when I substitute the lower limit, 0 into something. See, therefore, first term 0. And then if I substitute x equal to 0, sin 0, 0. Again, this will be 0. Okay? Yeah, this is equal to 2 by pi. 2 by pi into, then, what is this here? This is minus pi. And then minus 1 whole power n divided by n. Or this is same as 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 divided by n. Bn equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 divided by n. Yeah, 5 pi gets cancelled and 2 by n and minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Okay, fine. So therefore, what is our x? X equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Bn into sin nx. That is 2 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n plus 1 divided by n into sin nx. Okay, so this is the Fourier series expansion of f of x equal to x. Okay, we have 6 minutes.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. We have 2 minutes.
Okay, fine. I will give an example. F of x, which is equal to x square plus x in the interval minus pi, which is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to pi. Okay, is this function even? Is this even function?
No, sir.
No,
What
sir.
about odd? Is this odd?
No, sir.
No,
No,
this is
sir.
neither
No,
even.
sir.
This is
Neither
neither even
even
nor
nor
odd.
odd.
Okay. So therefore, for this function, we have to calculate a naught, an, and b in all the three. Okay. A naught, an, b in all the three. Okay. You take it as an exercise. Find the Fourier series. Expand this as a Fourier series. Expand this as a Fourier series. This is an exercise. Take it as an exercise. Yeah, now you can leave.